to remove share button in Facebook Lite. Welcome to How Logical. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can customize your Facebook Lite experience by removing the share button from your post. Follow this step-by-step instruction. Open your Facebook Lite application and navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture. Scroll down to find one of your posts and click on the three dots located at the right corner of the post. A menu will appear with various options. Choose Change Audience, which is initially selected as public, to control who can see your post. In the audience settings, select Friends to limit the visibility of your post to only your friends. Once this option is enabled, your post will be visible exclusively to your friends and the share button will be hidden from their view. By implementing this method, you can ensure that your friends can see your post but the share button remains discreet. This adjustment provides you with more personalized and controlled sharing experience on Facebook Lite. This interface will be visible to your friends after you enable the option, where you can see there is no share button here. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.